Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I am right outside Target, so there are some great deals to take advantage of over at Target. I found some great mail-in rebate deals from Tina from Freestuffinder, so I'm definitely going to be sharing those with you guys as well. So if you have some Target gift cards you can cash in, say from Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, this would be a good time to do it to take advantage of some of those free mail-in rebate offers. So I'm going to hop in. There's going to be a printable breakdown for this video. You guys are going to start seeing this video. I know my times have been changing here and there. You guys, I'll just spill the tea just a little bit. You know, this summer I've been trying to figure out like why I haven't been enjoying like what I do as much. What has changed with YouTube, because I look back at my other videos like when I first started and I could really see just like the pure joy out of couponing from those videos back when I had like maybe 50 people watching me. So I was, you know, reflecting on that and wondering like, why don't I have that same feeling? And you know, it's been like in black and white in church the past like month, like why I'm probably feeling the way I'm feeling. And it's because I have just put myself in, you know, this bowl of just wanting to be competitive, wanting to get my video up first, wanting to, you know, beat the person across the country before me. And I just can't do it anymore because it makes me fall out of love with couponing and it makes me fall out of love from YouTube. And I think that when that starts happening, I think that on a viewer standpoint, I think you guys can pick up on that. So, you know, let me know in the comment section below if you can pick up on that, because I feel like whenever I'm rushing to try to get my video up first or whatever it is, like my work becomes sloppy, I make a bunch of mistakes, I start talking about, you know, the wrong coupon or the wrong price or whatever. Like you guys have been with me for a while and you guys know that like I'm not the best with math, so my math is always wrong. But I really just had to reflect like, what am I doing wrong? And I think that it's important for anyone to acknowledge their I would say flaws or mistakes whenever you're figuring out like what's going wrong, because it's very common for people to like blame something else for something not going right, but it's really good for you to ask yourself what you are doing in the situation and what can you do to make things better. So for me, I just need to slow down and not worry about, you know, A and B. I just need to focus on Gina. And that's been something that I've been struggling with so much in this YouTube couponing world the past like 2 years. I've been trying to figure it out. You know, I've lost a few friendships along the way, some of which I regret, you know, so we're kind of diving in a little more deep in this tea session. Sorry, I don't have any tea, but moral of the little story time is you'll probably be seeing Target probably in the afternoons, because Sundays are meant for going to church with my family and spending time with my family. And I've let the competition of YouTube take away from that. And for that, I am guilty of not giving my family my best self on Sundays, because when Judgment Day comes, Jesus is not going to care about if I have my Target video up before everyone else. Like, he's not going to care about that. What he's going to care about is if I knew him. Like, he doesn't care about my YouTube channel. So just bear with me as I try to figure out my scheduling and everything like that. So you will still be seeing Target videos on Sundays because I absolutely love Target. So you'll probably just be seeing it in the afternoon times. So yeah, so let's go get the deals. Okay, so my first deal is going to be on the Bic pens. So the Bic pens are priced for 99 cents here at Target. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $1.98, and we have that $1.50 off 2 coupons, so it makes them 48 cents for both of them, which is a really good deal. Okay, so I was mentioning some mail-in rebates for you guys. So the Bic Gelosity pens, there are 3 different ones you can actually take advantage of. So it needs to be the Gelosity. So they have a 3-pack, a 5-pack, and a 12-pack. So the 12 pack is $11.99. There is a 5-pack that's on sale for $5.49, and then there's also a 3-pack. So you purchase it and then you follow the instructions with the mail-in rebate, which I'll have everything linked below. And again, this deal came from Tina from Freestuffinder. So thank you so much, Tina, for bringing this amazing deal to us. So just make sure you submit your rebates timely and get a freebie. Okay, so another freebie we have for mail-in rebates is on the Renuzit Snuggle. So this is the 5 count. So the 5 count package is priced for $9.99, and there is a $9.99 mail-in rebate that you can take advantage of. So what I suggest you do when these mail-in rebates come, snag them, cash in your rebate gift cards for like Target and whatnot, and snag these up. So free Renuzit Snuggle. Okay, so we have a really nice high value cartwheel for the crushed sodas as well as the Schweppes ginger ales. So the 2-liter ginger ales and the crushed sodas, they are priced for $1.69. So for the 50% off, it's going to be 84 cents. I have insert coupons for the crushed soda. So this is going to make for a really good deal if you still have your crush soda coupon. So yeah, great deal. All right, you guys. So something else I want to point out to you guys is on the Nature's Bakery fig bars. Now we actually got these in our Variety Fun box. If you guys have not tried Variety Fun, it is a box of assorted snacks. So you can get it for $19.99 with a link below, but these were inside it and my kids really enjoy them. So they're on sale $2.50. Regular price is $2.99. So I think that's a really good deal, and for fig bars is a little better than some of the other granola bars on the market. So again, I'll have a link to Variety Fun if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. I have a 20% code if you want to go ahead and use that. It'll be linked below. All right, you guys, so goldfish crackers are $1.50 each this week. So they are priced 3 for $5 or $1.66 each, and there's a 10% Target cartwheel, so that drops these down to just $1.50. And if you guys have the Fetch Rewards app, you're going to earn bonus points when you submit bonus brands, which Pepperidge Farms is a bonus brand. So I have a link, I have a code below. If you guys want to sign up, you're going to get some bonus points. So I think $1.50 for some goldfish crackers are great deal. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the sparkling ice. So these are priced for 88 cents on sale. Regular price is $1 each, and my Ibotta has a 95-cent back on 6. So in that scenario, I would buy 6 of them for $5.28, then submit 95 cents. So now we're down to $4.33 or just 72 cents each. So you might have a higher value Ibotta. I think it just depends on the region, but if you're not signed up for Ibotta, I have a link below to that as well. All right, you guys, so we have another deal on the Annie's box mac and cheese. So they are on sale for 99 cents again, and we have a printable $1 off free coupon from lozo.com. So with that coupon, it's going to make them just 66 cents each, which is a great deal for some Annie's box mac and cheese. All right, guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Bertolli.
Sorry, what's this?
I'm doing a vlog.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm in your way.
I thought you.
No. Okay, so we have a really good deal on Bertolli jarred pasta sauces. So they're on sale 2 for $4, and we have insert coupons for $1 off 2. So that's going to make them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So I think that's a really good deal. All right, you guys. So we also have a nice deal on the Barilla Ready Pasta. So this is priced for $1.79. And in last week's inserts, we got $1 off 1 coupon. So that makes this just 79 cents. This is a great easy meal to make, great donatable item. Also, Market Pantry has their pasta sale going on, so 94 cents for the Market Pantry boxed pasta. We have a hot deal on some Ortega taco seasoning. So these are on sale for 69 cents, and on smartsource.com there is $1 off 2 coupons, so that makes these just 19 cents each. So killer deal on some Ortega seasoning mix. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Silk Oat Yeah yogurts. So these are priced 4 for $5, and there is $1 off 1 coupon. And there's $1 off 1 coupon, and you can submit 50 cents to Ibotta, so it makes it a 25-cent moneymaker. So really nice deal on some Silk yogurt here at Target. So the 2 Good yogurts are also back on sale. So these are $1.25 each. So a really good deal, especially if you're on a low sugar journey. So another good yogurt deal is on the Dannon Light and Fits. So these are priced for 3 for $10 or $3.33 each. also have $1 back on Ibotta, so that's going to make this $1. So that's going to make this $2.33. So another yogurt deal is on these So Delicious. So these are priced for $1.25 each. There's also an Ibotta offer. It may vary depending on your region. Mine is a 45-cent cash back on 2. And I have a whole playlist linked below about cashback rebates. So if you're wondering, Gina, what are you talking about? Ibotta, Fetch, what is all this stuff? I have a playlist for you guys below so you can follow along and learn how to earn free money here at Target. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal in the household essential aisle. So when you spend $50 or more, you're gonna get a $15 Target gift card. So this is on tons of stuff. There are so many deals you guys can do. There are some really high value cartwheels for Tide and Bounty and Gain products. And I just wanna give a little review of what I picked up last week, the Downy Odor Protect and also the Downy Sport line for Tide. Fantastic. So if you're looking for a new laundry detergent, I know I've been really preaching the Mrs. Meyerson method, but I am back on the Tide Gain because Tide is amazing. Another deal you can do is on the Persil. So we have $3 off 1 printable coupons. There's also a 3 off 1 you could send to your Target cartwheels. So you can get 2 of these guys. They're $11.99. Use 2 of those coupons. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer liquid or pods. I'm more of a liquid gal than the pods. So let me know in the comment section below if you prefer liquid detergent or pods. Okay, so another really good deal we have going on at Target is in the beauty section. So when you spend $20 or more, you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card. There's tons of things you can do, mix and match deals. But I wanna highlight something that doesn't go on sale, and it's on the Piggy Paint nail polish. So they have a 4-pack for $9.99. There's a $4.99 for the single ones, and then their nail polish remover is $6.19. So I wanted to give you guys an option of something you can do that doesn't go on sale. So I would highly recommend you give those a try. Scarlett, she got some for her birthday and she's really been enjoying them. So you can do this deal online as well. So I'll have a link below to target.com if you want to just go ahead and shop target.com. Alrighty, you guys, so another deal you can do in the spend 20 get a $5 gift card is on Nexus products. So Nexus products, the Clean and Pure Nourishing, so the Clean and Pure line, there's a 25% off Target cartwheel. So what you can do is pick up 2 items. So I'm seeing this 5-in-1 invisible hair oil as well as a scalp scrub. I have never tried a scalp scrub, so you can pick 2 of these up for $29.98. And then the 25% off cartwheel will take $7.49 off. So now you're down to $22.69, and then you get a $5 Target gift card back, making it $17.69. Then you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you get a bonus 500 points. So actually, I think I might go ahead and take advantage of that. And then I'm also seeing some coupons here. So there is a there are Peely coupons as well. So keep a lookout for some Peely coupons at Target on some Nexus. Okay, so another deal we have at Target is on the Pacific Shaving Company. This is a caffeinated aftershave. So there is a mail-in rebate that's actually on the tube. It says try this tube for free mail-in rebate. So you purchase one and then you submit your mail-in rebate, so you can give this a try for free. So there's aftershave, and then there is actual shaving cream. So I think I'm gonna get my husband some aftershave. So thank you guys so much for watching today's Target in-store video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and just a friendly reminder, our bonfire shirts are still available for sale. We need about 4 more shirts to go ahead and get the order to print, and all of the proceeds are going to be going to Periods Happen. So I've created a new group called Periods Happen where I will be donating feminine care to women in need. So I will have the link to Bonfire as well as Variety Fun and a video to Periods Happen if you guys want to catch up and see what I'm doing.